think he can be mine.
I love him.
His strangers and his two families. My respect to the Rosmada leader, my honorable to the Abu Ya'illah Muqbala,
Did you know him?
Walid Armia,
His name?
which Agon Inchad Bada, Allah.
I don't know. Let's go. No.
My honorable to the Ayah in Banda Aceh, my honorable to the teachers, to the juries, to the protocol, and especially to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. In this good chance, I would like to deliver my speech by the title, The Role of Islamic Students in Globalization Era. As we know well, that globalization is an enormous dimension. The territorial limit of nation, it enables the nation culture and difference. Color as part of the other nation policies, globalization gave not only positive effect of the rapid science, information and technology developing, but also brings about many religion and cultural principles divergent of the nation. Thus become the because of the truth in anatomy in the identity of nation. Happy brothers and sisters, ladies pay attention more what happens in your surrounding as present free sex, pornography, alcoholic drinks and drug become in this country. Most of them always imitate that become up to date without filtering and thinking before. And they never make blend between talk and gesture, planning and implementation, and between ability and action. In addition, they do not rise up the Islamic laws because they think that religion is the symbol only whereas your this generation make of this country, so how this country is focused most of them get adorned and their moral focus. Consequently, we are the next generation of this country. We have to keep ourselves benefit, building empathy and facing the globalization, and we have to be aware of consulting the Islamic laws. The Islamic students have obligation to fight against the weakness of our beloved nation. Muslim brothers and sisters, we should not keep silent when we know the negative change that happens in your society because of globalization era. And we have to be aware of conserving the Islamic laws. As Islamic students, we ought to become figure in anticipating the negative art to all that is good. Allah stated in the noble Quran that commanding, let there arise of you a group of people inviting to all that is good, enjoining al-ma'ruf and forbidding al-munkar, and thus are the successful men. Dear brothers and sisters, the Islamic students, we ought to become figure in fighting to all that is good. The Islamic students, what their first, and Islamic students must bring proactive to go what is and what globalization era is and the purpose of it, so that let it hope for the best. That is good Muslim is good country. My brothers, last but not the least, I should like to tell you to prepare our generation in order to be above. Ladies, pay attention more what happens in your surrounding and present. Free sex, pornography, alcoholic drinks and drug become in country. Most of them always imitate that become up to date. Last but not the least, I should like to tell you to prepare our generation in order to be about respect. I'll short my speech with translation are the first. Take the positive effect of globalization era on life. The second, rise of taqwa and release of religious concern in their life. Third, become the figure in fighting of globalization, community and culture. ability and action in addition. Hey, that is all my